we were talking about Gibbs free energy, and we just need to know the concept of Gibbs free energy. Before going to Gibbs free energy, we just need to know the meaning of entropy. And you are very well familiar about entropy. Entropy is a randomness or total disorder of the system. And after reading the concept of entropy, we understand that entropy is not only related to system, it is also related to the surrounding. So when we talk about the entropy of the surrounding, it is equal to minus delta H over T. Now what is delta H? Delta H is a enthalpy change. Okay, so the entropy change for surrounding is calculated by using this expression, that is delta S of surrounding is equal to minus delta H of reaction. And by saying delta H of reaction, we mean enthalpy change. Either it is exothermic or it is endothermic. Delta H of reaction is the standard enthalpy change of the reaction, and T is the temperature in Kelvin at standard temperature, and this value is 298 Kelvin. Now, when we perform these calculations, we must know the units for this. You know, we take delta S in joule per Kelvin per mole, but the enthalpy change reading is in kilojoule per mole. So when performing calculation to find delta S, the value of delta H reaction is in kilojoule per mole. This is in kilojoule per mole. So we just need to change that sign of kilo, and in order to change this sign, we just multiply it by 1000. This is because entropy change are measured in the units of joule per Kelvin per mole, right? Negative sign is the part of the formula, is the part of the equation. Now we just need to solve this question. So you can see you have this equation, and you just need to find the delta S of the surrounding. To find delta S of the surrounding,